Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in a good kitchen. So we have some potatoes right here. So tonight dinner is loaded seafood baked potatoes. We have some bacon right there. We also have some smoked sausage and a nice jumbo shrimps. The bacon is for my stepdaughter and her fiance. So that's what that bacon is for right there. But the sausage, shrimp, is for me and the wife. So we're about to go ahead and make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Okay, so we got 4 potatoes right here. We're gonna pour some avocado oil. You can use any type of oil that you want. Extra virgin olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you want. Just rub it all over your potatoes. Take your salt. Sprinkle on the potatoes, just like so. Boom. And just, just roll it around. Just take your fork and I have my oven preheated to 400. And you just want to stab each potato. Just stab it around. You know what I mean? Just like so. Okay, so here we go right here. We have some butter in there. We're not using no oil, just butter. All our shrimps. Get some nice soft shrimps right here. So I had a baked potato. Well, I had a potato in there for an hour. Well, yeah, baked potatoes in there for an hour. We wrapped it up with aluminum foil. We'll season as we go. Some toast. Alright, baked potatoes ready. You know it don't take long for your shrimp to get ready. Cook vinegar, all type of seafood. Like this. Alright, the bacon is ready. Well, put out the oven. I'm using some of this bacon grease on the front. granny used to say that bacon grease. Yup. Granny used to always say that bacon grease. You have a little container right there on the cabinet. With that bacon grease in there. Anytime she cooks some soul food, some greens, cabbage, whatever, she'll use that bacon grease. Oil. I say grease, huh? My bad, oil. So this will be a short video. I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get it. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Right here in that good kitchen. Here go our shrimp loaded baked potato. Look at it. Fire. Did my thing right here in this good kitchen. That Colby Jack cheese. Yes, I love my Colby Jack cheese. Yes, I do. Look at it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.